Hi everyone, Andrew here from Muc-Off, and today I'm going to introduce to you our dark energy chain wax and chain wax cleaner. I'll be showing you how to properly reset your drivetrain using our chain wax cleaner and the different ways that you can use it before applying our dark energy chain wax, ensuring you get the maximum efficiency, durability and wear protection from every drop. If you want a drivetrain that runs clean, quiet and fast, then preparation is everything. For dark energy to perform at its best, the chain needs to be completely clean before application. Whether you're starting with a heavily contaminated drivetrain or a brand new chain straight out of the box, still covered in that factory grease, the goal is the same. Start with a completely clean, residue-free drivetrain. Wax behaves differently to oil-based lubes. It needs to form a thin film layer onto the clean metal surfaces of the chain. Oil will sit on top of contamination, wax won't. Any factory grease, oil, contaminated wax or excess moisture left behind will shorten the effectiveness of the wax, increase wear and shorten durability. So whether you're waxing for the first time or reapplying between rides, there's 3 ways you can use our chain wax cleaner. Come with me and I'll show you how. So the first way you can use chain wax cleaner is to spray it directly onto the entire drivetrain. Shake the bottle before generously applying it over the entire drivetrain. You want to be sure to coat the entire chain rings, cassette and pulley wheels in the rear derailleur, ensuring that everything is coated. Leave it to sit for around 1 minute. The wax optimized formula will quickly break down stubborn factory grease, old wax buildup and contamination without leaving any residue behind. You can also agitate it with our chain cleaning brush to remove any excess grime. For more heavily contaminated drivetrains, you can use the chain wax cleaner with a chain cleaning device, such as our X3 dirty chain cleaning machine. You can refill the dispenser bottle with the cleaner and rotate the chain through several times. The internal brushes provide mechanical agitation, whilst the formula slowly breaks down old oil and grime. For an even deeper clean, you can remove your chain completely from the bike and submerge it in the chain wax cleaner for several minutes. While the chain is in the solution, agitate it thoroughly to ensure the cleaner penetrates every roller and pin. This ensures every internal surface of the chain is completely clean, the ideal foundations for wax to bond to. Want the ultimate deep clean? Then head to your local chain optimization centre at your local IBD and have your chain professionally cleaned in one of our ultrasonic tanks. Head to muc-off.com to find your local store. Whichever method you use, rinse everything thoroughly with clean water, ensuring that all the excess cleaner has been removed. Next, we're going to fully dry our drivetrain. Today we're going to use our It Blows Precision Air Blaster to remove all water and any last drops of moisture from the chain, cassette and pulley wheels. It's important that the chain is completely dry before waxing. Any moisture could compromise the bond. Now you might think that everything is completely clean, but a simple check is to take a clean microfiber cloth and backpedal the chain through it, just to ensure that there's no excess residue coming off onto the cloth. If you see any black residue, then there's still contamination inside the chain. If that's the case, simply repeat the cleaning process. Wax performs at its peak on a perfectly clean chain. So once everything's completely clean and dry, it's time to apply dark energy. Place your bike in a bike stand if you're able to. Shake the bottle thoroughly on first application. This is really important with wax emulsions, just to ensure that all the wax particles are in suspension before you're applying it to your chain. On first application, we're going to apply 1 drop to each link of the chain, starting at the quick link and working our way carefully around the entire length of the chain. We're then going to complete a second full rotation to ensure complete coverage. Avoid over application, as this can lead to build up. Consistent, even coverage is the key here. Slowly cycle through the gears. This will force the chain to articulate and allows the wax to penetrate and coat every surface evenly inside the chain. It also allows you to lightly coat each cog on the cassette, leading to an even quieter and smoother drivetrain. If your bike is on the ground and you're not able to get it into a bike stand, simply cross-chain as much as possible and back pedal for around 10 revolutions. We've optimised the viscosity of the formula to ensure that it easily penetrates every part of the chain, ensuring no product is wasted. So unlike oil-based lubes, we now need to allow the wax to cure for at least 12 hours. If you're in cooler or humid conditions, we'd recommend 24 hours. This curing period allows the carrier to evaporate and the wax to form its durable dry film barrier on the chain. This is the foundation of its low friction and wear protection. In terms of reapplication, once you hear the drivetrain becoming slightly noisier and you've been riding in clean, dry conditions, you can simply wipe down the chain with a clean microfiber cloth and reapply Dark Energy. Dark Energy has been optimised for dry and damp conditions. If, however, you get caught out in heavy rain, we'd recommend cleaning everything down and reapplying to maintain max performance. Dark Energy is the result of 4 years of tribology, formulation chemistry and real-world testing. The goal was simple: achieve efficiency, durability and low wear all in one drop of wax. With an extremely low coefficient of friction, minimal drivetrain wear and up to 300 miles or 480 kilometers per application, Dark Energy delivers race day efficiency with everyday durability across both road, gravel and MTB. It runs quieter, shifts smoother and converts more of your power directly into speed. So 3 key things to remember with waxing: prepare it properly, apply it carefully and let it cure fully. Following these simple steps will allow you to unlock maximum efficiency, durability and low wear from your drivetrain using Dark Energy chain wax. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one.